let's talk about the warranty that comes with the Singer Promise 2 plus the sewing manual. Now, if this machine did not come with a manual in the box, we're going to put links below this YouTube video where you can find the online manual, or if you've just lost it, can't remember where you put it, again, you can always access all the information for this model number online. Also, that came with the machine is kind of like a little quick start page, so how to kind of get it threaded. Of course, we're going to do that also with these videos, but if you need a little reference, this is not a bad thing to kind of keep close by. You also will find that if you register your machine at Singer's website, SewingMastery.com, that will make sure that if you need any warranty work done, it is all registered and in the system. So Singer does provide a limited 25-year warranty. Now, let me tell you what you really want to be aware of. Number one, you need to take care of this machine on a regular basis. Let's start about with what you need to do. You need to use quality thread, change your needles from time to time, and clean and oil down below. And that is something that we are going to do. Then, once a year, have your machine cleaned at a local sewing machine store. Any store will do, even if it's not a Singer store. Most sewing machine stores know how to take care of basic sewing machines, which this is. But if you have it cleaned and oiled every year, trust me, this machine is going to treat you well. There is a limited 2-year warranty on motors, light assembling, and basic electronic components. Now, keep in mind, you do need to take care of this machine, and there is a point where operator error or you're pushing too much fabric through and you force something that may not be covered under warranty. And there is a limited 90-day warranty on things like the belts and bulbs and just some of the basic things. If you take my word of advice and use good quality thread, change your needles, clean and oil, and have it serviced on an annual basis, you won't have to worry about any parts of this particular warranty because you're taking care of the machine. You take care of this machine, it will take care of you.